Congo and Haiti, the reason why those are the two longest going and most disastrous human rights situations is because iridium in Haiti. Iridium is a mineral you need for atomic weaponry. It's a mineral that's so strong it doesn't melt under the hottest temperature. So America doesn't want Haiti selling their iridium to anybody else in the world. That's why they keep Haiti backwards, because Haiti is one of the top producers of iridium on the planet. And for the Congo, it goes without saying, the Congo has the purest cobalt in the world. Excuse me, coltan. Okay, coltan is a mineral that they make from titanium and cobalt, I believe, but it's a very precious mineral that you need for every electromagnetic device. You need it for the cell phone, the helicopter, the walkie-talkie, the radio. There would be no technological age without that coltan. Guess who has the purest coltan? Congo. They also got diamonds because it's way worse and they don't have any infrastructure. At least the Palestinians, through their Arab neighbors and extended family, they do have an infrastructure to get the word out. Like Al Jazeera, which I believe is an Arab controlled network, they can get that out. We tend not to have that. And when we do have it, it's owned by black bourgeoisies who don't want to scratch the power structure. The Congo and Haiti